Proton VPN versus Hide. Me VPN, which one should you choose? Proton VPN claims to be the best overall, but Hide, Me has an impressive free version. By the end of this video, you'll know which one stands out, and if neither fits your needs, I've got an alternative that might be a better option. Stick around to find out. First, let's talk about Proton VPN's overall offering. It's known for its solid security features and is especially favored by those looking for privacy and anonymity. Proton VPN provides military-grade encryption and a strict no-logs policy, which is a must for users who prioritize privacy. However, it's not flawless. The free version of Proton VPN is limited in features, especially in terms of speed and server locations. If you want full access to its features, you'll have to pay for the premium plan, and even then, it's a bit on the pricier side compared to other VPNs. Now, moving on to Hide Me VPN. This VPN is often touted as the best free VPN available, and for good reason. Hide Me offers a generous free plan with no ads and a decent amount of bandwidth. Unlike many free VPNs, Hide Me doesn't compromise on security, offering encryption standards on par with premium services. But there's a catch. The free version is limited to a selection of servers and has some restrictions on speed and data. So, while it's a solid choice for casual users, it might not be enough if you need a more comprehensive solution for things like streaming or gaming. Next thing to consider is ease of use. Proton VPN has an easy-to-navigate interface, but its mobile app can be a bit clunky, especially for beginners. On the other hand, Hide Me's interface is very straightforward, and the setup process is simple. It's an excellent choice for people who want a no-hassle experience with their VPN, though it can sometimes feel a bit too basic if you're looking for advanced features. Another key factor is speed. Proton VPN's paid plans offer decent speeds, especially with their premium servers, but its free plan isn't that great. Free users often experience slower speeds, especially during peak times. Hide Me, although it has a strong reputation for offering decent speeds even with its free plan, still lags behind Proton in terms of overall speed consistency and server availability. The fourth thing is customer support. Proton VPN's customer support is fairly responsive, but it's mainly available through email and doesn't offer live chat, which can be frustrating when you're in a rush. Hide Me, meanwhile, offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a big plus if you need immediate assistance. Lastly, both of these VPNs offer good security protocols, but the difference lies in the additional features. Proton VPN is integrated with Tor, which is a major plus for users looking for extra privacy. Hide Me, however, lacks that Tor integration but still provides a kill switch and DNS leak protection, which adds to its security value. So, what's the best option here? Both Proton VPN and Hide Me VPN are great in their own right, but they each come with limitations that could affect your experience. Proton VPN's free plan has limitations on speed and location, while Hide Me's free plan offers more flexibility but still doesn't match Proton's premium features. Now, if you're really after the best overall experience, I'd suggest you check out my recommendation in the first link in the description. After trying both of these options myself, I found a much better alternative that delivers on both speed and security. This alternative gives you an exclusive free trial, along with some additional benefits you can't get anywhere else. So, if you want to take your VPN experience to the next level, make sure you check it out through our link.